guys, it's time for another mystery box. Hurry, this one's got the lilac cutie in it. You must be an Access member in order to purchase. You get 20% off the price of $39, and that $39 is already 71% lower than retail price. So you get the $39.99, then you get 20% off that. My code does not work to bring you anything else. If you are a paper crafter, you're gonna love this one. So let me show you what's in this one. There's so much. If you use the link in the description below, I do get a small commission. So please use that link. Go purchase the mystery box if you need it right away. If you need the cutie, the last box sold out in 45 minutes. You get this paper pack and this paper pack. I don't know what's in these, so we're gonna open them up and look. You also get this one. It has all of these things in it. I love this one. It has little beetle bugs. Like, it is so pretty. You also get Rad and Happy Iron-On. Look what's on those. We're gonna open this up and look at each sheet. Also, this is beautiful. This is removable matte vinyl. Look at that flamingo. So you get 3 sheets of this. You get removable vinyl, 6 sheets, nice 6 colors. These are great to put on your wall, make a design or a saying, whatever you want to do. And a blue self-healing cutting mat. This does not work in the machines. It's double-sided. You put on your desk to protect your desk. You can cut on it with your rotary cutter or your knife blade. So we have a 12 by 18 cutting mat. All right, now let's look in these papers. I'm thinking these were not available at Cricut and only like on HSN. I could be wrong. I really don't know. There's a lot of paper here. There's more paper here than there is here. This looks like Anna Griffin paper. Let's look at this green again. I changed the light. Purple. It's like a lilac. This is pretty. And it has a pink on the back. Matches the pink in the flower, the light pink. So we have 4 sheets of that. Ooh, that's pretty. These actually look prettier in person than they do in the video. So 4 sheets of that. And then 4 sheets of this one. Green on the back. Let's see what's in this one. If you really want this box and you haven't purchased it already, you better go get it now. Click the link in the description. There's this one. Very pretty. Love that one. Ooh, this one's pretty. I think I like this pack better. The color does look better in person. Ooh, I like this one. Pink on the back. Green and blue. Green on back. You got 4 of each color. Pretty. Look at how gorgeous it is. Beautiful. I'm so sorry, yellow on the back. If this is sold out by the time you got this video. Okay, that's all of that paper. And this one has 2 sheets of each of these, and they're double-sided. So pretty. And then it's just solid on the back. Love this one. And look at the back. It's kind of like watercolor. Little beetle bugs. And watercolored on the back. On these beautiful flowers. And stripes on the back. So you got 2 of each of those. Now let's look at this iron-on. So you have that guy. I think it's a narwhal. Is that what that is? You got a seahorse with the unicorn. And stars. It's stars and seashells. These are fun. These are removable. That means it lasts 3 years. Beautiful. These are really cool. Remember, you can use iron-on and vinyl to put on paper projects, to put on cards, to put on so many things. Think outside the box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click that bell. Sign up for my email list so you will be the first to know when the mystery box is released and what's in it. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your other friends. Bye, guys.